In today's video, we're going to be talking about the 5 major mistakes that I noticed from most Amazon sellers getting started in Amazon FBA. You would want to know what exact margins you're working with after Amazon FBA fees, the short term versus the long term. You just really shouldn't obsess over the ACOS. A lot of times I see people that just launched their product, they're starting to throw a ton of money at their PPC ads, and they're getting extremely frustrated because it's not converting into sales. Basically, if you didn't have that strategy set in place that for this particular keyword you were going to try to rank, you may just set up your pay-per-click ads, and now all of a sudden you don't really have that objective, so you just set up a campaign that's spending a ton of money to a bunch of other keywords, and then on top of that, if you don't have any product reviews, if it's a brand new product, you're going to actually get bad data